Hey guys, it's Derp, and welcome back to a quick video. Today I'll show you how you can change the text that appears right here. So what you want to do is you want to right click this box, click Inspect. This little thing up here should show it, and you want to go here, right click, hit Edit as HTML, and then you can change this to say, I don't know, like this. And then all you want to do to change it is click that. And voila! I did mess it up by putting an L on the back there. But I'll be right back with something cool. And voila! This is what I've created. Join Derpy's Patreon at https www.patreon.com/user*u equals 1626140. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and see you all next time. Bye!